Hey guys, so I thought I'd film my first attempt to dye my own hair. The last time I dyed it, my friend helped me. No, she didn't help me, she did it for me. So this time I'm on my own. It is currently 1:44 a.m. Yeah, I have to be up in a few hours. Travel down and I'm going on holiday. I don't even know what to say today. Well, I'm going on holiday tomorrow, so I've left this hair dyeing until very last minute because I was scared. Anyway, stay tuned and we'll see how this goes. Don't get this nail polish. No, I didn't even shave. Damn. Anyway, so I've got my coconut oil to put on my edges. Then I've got my purple brightening shampoo to use after the bleaching, which keeps your hair bright. How many mils is this? Oh, then I've got my lightening powder. I've used a quarter of this bag, I think, from the first time I dyed in it. Oh my gosh.
Wait a minute.
I don't know if I've got enough.
Oh no. No.
If I haven't got enough, I'm screwed. So I'm putting some of this lightener into this container. I actually don't know how much I'm supposed to put in. Hopefully that's enough. If the house blows up, I'm not involved. Oh, it's too thick. Mate! Oh! I'm screwed. I'm gonna have to Google it. Because I can't. It's too, like...
A few moments later.
Okay, so I've just found this one in my wardrobe. And it is the same amount of volume. 12% here, 12% there, but it's two different brands. This is going to be an experiment and a half. I really don't know how this is gonna go. I'm just gonna add bit by bit. You don't understand how scared I am right now. See, I don't know if this is the right consistency, but it looks okay. Okay, so I put my oil around my head. And I found one glove. If this ain't living life on the edge, I don't know what is. I don't know. I'm gonna have to. Oh, yep, no turning back now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the colour is starting to change. I literally need to make sure that I've got all the parts with the longer hair. I'm so tired. Oh man.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Be right back. Okay. So I look like a tangerine on top. I did leave it on for about 45 minutes. So I'm happy about the sides. They're going the right way. So what I'm going to do is apply some more bleach. Wish me luck.
Listen, the way I am smothering this coconut oil, because I feel like this next step is about to be painful.
Okay, so this time I've got a lot less. I feel like the first time I should have not been greedy and put too much. Wish me luck, because if my hair falls off, oh boy. So this time I'm going to actually try and be productive while this is cooking. I haven't even packed my bags yet. I've even taken it. I don't even know which bag I'm... Ah, it's burning. Ah! Oh! Oh, is this supposed to... Oh, is it supposed to feel like this? Oh, damn. Apparently it burns anyway. I'm just gonna have to firm it because... Oh, man. So I just came to give you guys a quick update. I decided to put a plastic bag on my head as soon as I put the bleach on. This light is so bright, especially when it's like 4 AM in the morning. Anyway, the top of my head is still yellow. The sides are getting whiter. Give me strength. I've left the shampoo on. I'm going to leave it on for about 5 minutes and then I'm going to wash it off. And I am actually about to go to bed after this because I've had enough. I'm just tired. I want to sleep and I'll be up in literally a few hours. I'll see you guys in a minute, okay? So I thought I'd show you guys the plastic bag that I have and how I put it on. It's just literally a plain Matalan bag and I put it on there and my scalp is burning. I am going to wash it off. Wish me luck. Okay, it's really not easy having to do this and film at the same time, especially when I'm washing my hair in a different room. But basically what I've done, so I washed out the bleach before and it was still a bit yellow at the top, but it had gone lighter after I'd put the shampoo on. So purple is the opposite colour to yellow in the colour spectrum. So when yellow and purple work against each other, it kind of turns light, whatever the science is. So what I've done is I've put purple on top. Well, I haven't put purple on top. I've put the shampoo on top, but I haven't lathered it in. So I've let the purple show, because before when you'd put the shampoo on and rub it in, it would just turn white and bubbly. So now what I've done is I've literally got quite a lot and just kind of brushed it in my hair on the yellow parts. You see how light it is here? That's exactly how I want the rest of the head to be. So that's what I want hair to be like. So I'm just going to wait for that to set a little bit. I'm not going to wait too long because I don't want my hair to turn purple. Good lord, if that happens, holiday's cancelled. I'll be back. Okay, so this is the end result. I am not bleaching my hair one more time. I don't know if the shampoo is going to lighten it more than what it is now, but apparently that's what it does. So I was contemplating on going to the barber so he could take off this top bit, but I don't know. Yeah, so this is the end result. Oh my, there's that bald patch. No. Whew. That's the back. And yeah, that is pretty much the hair. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. If you appreciate me experimenting for you, you know, subscribe, doesn't hurt. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. And yeah, I will look better than this once I do my eyebrows, look more presentable. But yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.